Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to sort by date in Google Sheets. So first of all, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. And first of all, you're gonna open up your browser and then you will type here google.com or just type Google Sheets and then click on go to Sheets and you will be redirected to this sheet here. So here you can see that I have a very basic table here with some dates here. Okay, so now if I want to basically sort this table according to the date, how I can do this? First of all, you have to select all of your range, your cells here, then you will go into this data mode and then sort range and advanced range sorting. Now here you can see that it has the option here which says that data has header row. So if your table includes a header row, okay, then you will just select this. So mine include this, which is sale data, a date and fruits. So you will select this one and then you have to select the column which you want to sort. Okay, so in my case I have the sale date column here. I will select it, and if I basically currently it's from A to Z, but if I basically want to sort it from Z to A, will tap on Z to A, and here you can see like this one. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.